So this is Shivansh, you are watching Techsonish, and today we are create a real estate project. And in the last two part, I am install the WordPress and install the create a header in a website. So now I'm going to in this part I'm create a footer, and first of all I'm install the template kit. So for the install the template kit, we need a Elementor login. So we have access in Elementor. So I'm just switch this account, and here I'm logging our WordPress, and here I'm click on the elements, and click on a template kits. Okay. So this is a beauty spa Elementor template. So install this. Okay. Success. Okay, done. We need a real estate. So I'm just write a real estate. Okay, perfect. So apartment and property elements, blue chip. So install the NV ARC and blue chip. Low firm agency Elementor, I don't need. Real estate property listing, Bruma and consults lawyer, and I don't need. Property agent Elementor template, huge apartment single property. So I'm just install the this. Okay. And only perfect. I'm installed the all the necessary kits which I think it's necessary for my this project. So I'm installed all the important kits. Okay, now I'm come back to my main section, and here I'm going to install it. Okay, so now I'm going to dashboard section, and I'll click on the install kits. When I click on the install kits, all the kits are installed here. Okay, like these container 24 templates. These container 24 templates. Okay, lot of templates I'm installed in this segment. Okay, so now I don't need this, so I'm just cut. Okay, or I don't need, so I'm just cut this. Now I'm come here. Okay, so first of all I'm going to our footer part. Now I'm create a footer. So for this, click on the appearance, click on the footer. There is a Elementor and footer. Now I'm click on the edit with Elementor in a footer part. So when I'm click on a footer, so there is a lot of there is a option like this. So I'm click on add template section. There is a my template section. Here is a header, home, footer, and header. This is a footer. Okay, perfect. Okay, actually color combination is not perfect right now, but I'm just install this. Okay, perfect. In the future, if we need so we are update this, but right now this is a update. Now I'm refresh my page, and you can see this is a about section. This is a this section. So first of all, I go back and click on a header. Click with the Elementor with header. Okay, elements with header. Click on here, and actually here is a background section. Okay, main menu, sub menu, mobile menu, advanced. Here is a background. Background color is a classic, and color is a gray. I don't need a gray, so click here. Okay, this is a green, this is a yellow. Right now update this only. So when I am refresh it, so it's look like this. So that means we need to update a backend of this. Okay, click here. Here is a background section. is style. Here is a background. This color is coming from here. I'm just coming and remove this. Okay, update. I'm going to update. Refresh this. Okay, perfect. So this, perfect. Not a big deal. So I'm just come here, click on a background once again, and a overlay. Okay, here is a background overlay. Background overlay I don't need. This is a background color. Not a big deal. Come here. There is a background. There is a color. Okay. Now come here. Here is a 9 options. Nav menu, which is coming from the Royal add-on plugin. Okay, this is perfect. Delete this. Coming here. Horizontal. Okay, perfect. Update this. Come here. Perfect. This is the main part. So now I'm going to create a main page. So for this I'm coming back, or create a page. Click on all pages. There is a home page. So this is a home page. So now I'm click here, edit. Okay, now I'm going to click here, edit with Elementor. We have this option. Click here first of all. Okay, click here templates, and this is a home. Install this. Apply. Perfect. Okay. Right now this is a perfect for me. Right now, I'm not saying it, this is a perfect for all times. Saying it, this is a perfect for me right now. Okay, perfect. Save this. Come here. This. Okay. This is a home page. Okay, this is a home page now, but I need a index page like this. So you can see this is your index page, this is your home page. So how can I update it ki this home page is my main index page. So I'm just going back to my main page. Click here, going to a dashboard section, and here is a you get a setting. Setting is where this is a setting, this is a writing setting, and this is a reading setting. So I'm just going to reading setting. So click here static page. Click here static page. Reading. Click here static page. Click home page. Select home page. Okay, and save changes. Click here. Refresh this. Now my index page is a home page. When I click on home, so it's automatically updated. Okay. Now I'm going to update about page. So for this I'm going back to my elements section, elements and installed kits. Okay. It's my this is my single page. Property list. This is my services, this is my about, this is my contact us, or this is my post page, this is the new. So finally I'm installed all the kits related to this. Finally I'm installed all the pages related to this kit. Okay. So now I'm going to install requirement. Basically this is a requirement for this kit. So these are plugins. Just click on. These are automatic installed. Just wait. Success. Okay. Now I'm going to close. Okay, so now I'm going to plugin section once again. Okay, no issue. Now I'm going to create all pages now. Okay, here is the about page. Click here. This is the header part. Click this section. Click template section. Click about. This is a template page. So I'm just install. Okay. Okay. Home about ये क्या है? What is this? Okay. We don't need. Okay. Install this. अभी चलते हैं और then I'm going to contact us page. Just update. The basic of website setup is done. Refresh this. This is home. This is about, and this is the contact us. Okay. Finally, I'm created all the necessary pages. Okay. So I'm just click here. Click here. Click here the site setting. Global fonts. Large text in the copies. Mukta Mahi. Okay, this is a Mukta Mahi. Secondary text is also a Mukta Mahi. Okay, perfect. And text normal जो text है वो आपका copies. This is a copies. Essence आपके ये भी आपके copies आएंगे. Copies. Okay, perfect. Global color. Primary color is secondary color. Update. Now I'm come here, refresh this.